Hey, I'm Tracy with Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and I'm excited to tell you about Legacy's CCAM Pro special offer. CCAM Pro was developed to take full advantage of Legacy's turning system, which has some very exclusive features, but it has grown into a complete programming environment and project sharing system. And now for a limited time, when you purchase CCAM Pro, we'll include 5 woodworking projects that are ready to go. You just generate the cheat code programs and start machining. So the 5 projects include the shop stool, the Asian-inspired wall shelf, the hollow spiral candlestick holder, this beautiful wall clock, and the bar stool, which was designed and programmed by Andy. You can click on the link listed below for the instructions on how to import these projects into your CCAM Pro software. So that'll get you started making some pretty impressive projects right off the bat. So to place your order or get more information, call us at 801-491-0010. Again, 801-491-0010. And I'll see you in the next video.